Hello guys, my name is Umesh Kumar. Here we are to learn how to run DeepSeek R1 locally, and not just with the command prompt but with the proper UI like the OpenAI and Gemini have. So here we start. First open Ollama.com, and here download the Ollama software. So Ollama is a server which is used to run model locally. Okay, so it have all type of operating systems to download the Ollama, like the Linux, Windows, whatever your machine is have. Just download for that. I have Mac OS, so I download for the Mac OS. Okay, so click on just the download for Mac OS, and it is started downloading. I already have downloaded. This is Ollama, so I just double click it and move to the application. Now it is installed. Just open your terminal and write Ollama. Either you have Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. Just type Ollama, and you see a lot of commands come. So this is so like the Ollama is installed in your machine. It have a lot of commands like serve, create. We are ready to serve the server. Now we download the model. So just click on the model, and here there are a lot of models like the Mistral, which is used for the good programming, uh, given by the Meta, and there are a lot of. But here we are for the DeepSeek. Just click on the DeepSeek one. Here we have to choose the parameter. The more parameter it have, the more accuracy it comes. Okay, so we just run with the default with the 7 billion parameter. Okay, so just run, copy this command and run in your terminal. We just paste it and run. Now I already have it in my system, so it's just completed, and here we go. Hello, tell me your version. Okay, so it is calculating, and now like I am DeepSeek R1, a assistant independently working, developed with the Chinese company DeepSeek. It is okay, fine. Now just press the Control D. Now we have the command Ollama list. So this is the command to see all the installed model in your system. Okay, so we run Ollama list. So here we have DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek R1 L 7 billion, 8 billion. We have the three model of this, and we also have the Ollama 3.2 Vision latest. Like I already have downloaded it. Like this is 5 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 7 hour ago, and the 6 hour ago. So okay. So now the thing is like we run this Ollama with the command prompt, but this is not the good idea for daily purpose and daily use. So what we do, we run this on our like the UI, like the OpenAI have the UI and the Gemini have the UI to run the models. So that type of UI we also want. Okay. So for that, first we have to download the Docker. It's a Docker image, so for that we have to install Docker. So just download Docker. Okay, you can download as per your system. Okay, so I have the MacBook Apple Silicon. Okay, so I already have the download and installed. I just open it, Docker, open, and it is just started. Okay, after that, once it is installed, just go to the Open WebUI. Here is the website of the first Open WebUI. Come here and go to the docs. Here is the docs. Here at the home page, you see like this is the documentation. Here, if Ollama is on your computer, use this command. Like we already have the Ollama in our system, so for that just copy in the terminal, just paste it here and just enter, hit enter. It download data and it run. Okay, just open your Docker. Here we see the image, it comes as the image. Okay, so just open it. Here we are, so just log in it. mar54 @gmail.com. Password 12345. You can give any your email or password, or you can like any email or password will work with this. Just kind of sign up with that and use that for the login purposes. Okay, just sign. Here we are. At that time we run DeepSeek R1 with command prompt. But now we have the UI for all the models like latest 7 billion, 8 billion, and the Ollama 3.2 also. So here we are, right, like hello, tell me your version. Okay, enter. Think I am a DeepSeek R1 assistant independently Chinese DeepSeek. Okay, so it is here. Same question with the Ollama 3.2. Just copy and paste it here. It takes some time to okay, it comes. I don't have a specific version in the classical sense. I have used large language model. My response are generated on the fly based on the pattern association learned from various past data, web pages, books, articles, and this all the things like it tell. Okay, and now you can do anything with it. Like if you just go offline without internet, it definitely work even though without internet. So I just close my internet, okay, here, and tell me, now I tell them like write node.js with express and mongodb, uh, write crude apis, enter, and here it go, this one, make the AI crude api, okay, cd npm init y, it installed all the packages, okay, here it write the mongoose connection, here it is the schema, and here it makes the api. So this is the thing like I have to say, and this is the final like here how we can run any model on the locally, not the any model but the all models which available with the Ollama website. Okay, here we are done. Thank you.